You need to constantly stay on your feet by learning the project management basics and ensure that the project remains within all the agreed upon project constraints like. Despite the availability of multiple resources, project management tools, training materials, and flexible methodologies, companies are still wasting millions of dollars every year and are struggling to tackle the project management challenges and issues they face. A study published in the Harvard Business Review states that 1 in every 6 projects costs more than 200% of the estimated amount, and almost 70% of IT projects face project delays. Clients who don't precisely know what they want and have vague requirements are one of the biggest project management challenges for both managers and the project team. A study states that about 39% of projects fail due to the lack of a project plan and a clearly defined project goal. It is also important for a project manager to come up with a way of quantifying project progress by setting up project milestones and quality tests. Effective project managers predetermine the needed project management skills and competencies and assess the available workforce to determine whether additional staff and skill sets are required or not. It is important for project managers to ensure that all the project stakeholders are on the same page and have a clear vision of the project. Any effective project manager knows the capability of the project team and negotiates the project timeline by prioritizing deadlines and project tasks. Many of your project management challenges can be overcome with a capable and efficient project management tool.